It is so cool to finally see the Starliner rolling out of that building. You know, it's been a long time since a spaceship rolled out of there on its way to the pad to get stacked up. And, you know, when the orbiter used to roll out, I always thought that was just a unique moment. You know, you'd be here at night like this or early in the morning, dark, lights shining on it, and that's the beginning of a trip to space. You know, launching it's really cool, but seeing it roll out on the way to the pad, this is the beginning of a trip to space. I just want to thank everybody. What a great partnership we have with Boeing, with ULA, to make commercial crew happen. This is critical to our future as a nation. We got to get astronauts flying on U.S. rockets out of here on U.S. soil, you know, and not have to rely on our Russian partners. And this is just a huge step forward. I could not be more proud of this team and what they've accomplished.